Tired of wasting money on mediocre cafe coffee? We've tested the top models to bring you the 5 best espresso machines of 2025 that deliver authentic barista quality results at home. These powerful machines feature 20-bar pressure systems, precise temperature control, and built-in grinders for perfect extraction every time. Whether you crave silky lattes or intense ristrettos, our picks include smart programmable models and compact manual options to suit any kitchen. Click the link below to find your perfect espresso maker. Let's explore these game changers. Your mornings are about to get a major upgrade with cafe-worthy coffee in just minutes. The 5th product on our list is Café Affetto C7CEBBS3RD3. The Café Affetto looks like a futuristic espresso maker because it is a futuristic espresso maker. Out with the old steampunk-adjacent espresso machines of yesteryear and in with something that can complement your home's style. But its looks aren't the only thing it has going for it. With an espresso mode, Americano mode, and a My Cup mode, which is programmable via the Smart HQ app, you can make several great espresso drinks at the push of a button. This machine has all the makings of a super automatic espresso machine, but it maintains the manual milk steaming wand, which we love. Most alternative milk frother options tend to make the milk far too foamy, which leaves little room for pouring latte art. Plus, for those of us who cherish true microfoam in a latte and cappuccino, a manual steaming wand is a must-have espresso machine feature. While certainly not a deal-breaker, the steam wand wasn't very ergonomic, which made it more difficult to use than other machines. It feels like the steam wand design prioritized form over function. Up next in 4th place is the Breville Bambino Plus BES500BSS. Just like the Breville at the top of our list, the Bambino Plus delivered a delicious shot of espresso at the push of a button. However, what really won us over about this machine was Breville's MilkQ technology, which can complete the entire milk steaming process from start to finish with easily programmable control of the foam level. It's an aspiring latte artist's secret weapon. What I loved even more about this machine was that the steam wand can still be used as a manual milk steaming wand, allowing you to control how much assistance you want from the machine and take back the reins as you perfect your milk steaming skills. The 3rd product on our list is the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo ECAM29084SB. The Magnifica Evo from De'Longhi doesn't feel like it belongs in your home, but rather at a hotel espresso bar. This machine truly does every step of the process for you, from grinding the beans, to pulling the shot, to frothing the milk, and even dispensing it into your latte. It's a true hands-off espresso experience. With 7 different recipes at the touch of your finger, including lattes, cappuccinos, and iced coffee. This all-in-one machine is the equivalent of having a barista in your kitchen. Is the Magnifica Evo going to rival the espresso beverages at a third-wave coffee shop? But it will easily replace your daily stop, or twice daily, we're not judging, at your go-to drive-through coffee shop without sacrificing any of the convenience. The 2nd product on our list is the Breville Barista Express BES870XL. We've already established that the Breville espresso machines are capable of producing great espresso, but the Breville Express Impress machine has an impressive feature that wasn't on any other machine we tested: an integrated tamper. I'll admit, when I saw the integrated tamper arm on this machine, I was highly skeptical. It felt a little gimmicky, but that all changed once I used it because it yields a perfect tamp every single time. Hats off to Breville for developing this very effective integrated tamper that allows even the greenest barista to pull shots like a pro. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Breville Barista Express BES870XL. Breville is a household name for home espresso machines, so it came as no surprise that one of their flagship machines took the top spot on this list. I found this espresso machine very easy to use and was pleasantly surprised by the amount of flavor it was capable of extracting from the coffee while maintaining balance. The dosing dial and easy-to-adjust integrated burr grinder with 16 grind positions make it very easy to dial in espresso, preventing you from wasting coffee trying to achieve a balanced extraction. Additionally, I felt that the steam wand was one of the easiest to use among the espresso machines tested. The steam pressure felt even and controlled, which made it easy to create silky, smooth microfoam. Another feature we love is the optional manual espresso controls, which allow the user to stop the extraction at any point rather than relying on the machine's timer. That's all for our list of the 5 best espresso machines on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.